Ladies and gentlemen, today, I stand before you to shed light on a fascinating and ever-evolving topic that has revolutionized the world of finance and is reshaping our understanding of currency and transactions. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology have emerged as powerful forces, challenging the traditional financial systems and offering exciting new possibilities. In this speech, I aim to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of cryptocurrency and blockchain, while emphasizing the importance of financial education in navigating this complex and dynamic landscape. Let us embark on a journey to explore the concept of cryptocurrency in greater detail. At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that utilizes cryptography for secure financial transactions, control the creation of new units, and verify the transfer of assets. Unlike traditional fiat currencies, such as the US dollar or the euro, cryptocurrencies operate independently of central banks or governments, relying on decentralized networks and cryptographic protocols for their operation and security. The most famous and widely known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group of individuals using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin introduced the concept of a decentralized, peer-to-peer digital currency that operates on a revolutionary technology called blockchain. Now, let us delve into the intricacies of blockchain technology, the underlying innovation that powers cryptocurrencies. In essence, a blockchain is a distributed ledger that records and verifies transactions across multiple computers or nodes. Each transaction is grouped into a block and added to a chain of previous transactions, creating an immutable and transparent record of all activities. One of the key features of blockchain technology is its transparency. Every participant in the network can view and verify transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries, such as banks or clearinghouses. This transparency also enhances security, as altering a single transaction would require altering the entire chain, making blockchain highly resistant to tampering or fraud. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology offer several potential benefits. Firstly, they enable fast and secure transactions across borders without the need for traditional intermediaries. This can reduce transaction costs and increase financial inclusion, particularly for individuals in underserved regions who may not have access to traditional banking services. Furthermore, blockchain technology has the potential to streamline complex processes, such as supply chain management, by providing a transparent and traceable record of every step. This increased efficiency can lead to cost savings, improved accountability, and reduced instances of fraud or counterfeiting. Additionally, cryptocurrencies have introduced the concept of programmable money. Smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with predefined conditions written into code, can automate and facilitate transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries and reducing human error. This has implications for various industries, including finance, real estate, and intellectual property rights. However, with the benefits come risks, and it is essential to approach cryptocurrencies with caution. Volatility is a prominent characteristic of cryptocurrency markets, with prices experiencing significant fluctuations within short periods. This volatility can present both opportunities and challenges for investors and traders. Moreover, the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies means that they are not backed by any tangible assets or central authority. This lack of regulation exposes investors to potential scams, fraud, and hacking incidents. Therefore, it is crucial to conduct thorough research, exercise due diligence, and only invest what one can afford to lose. Financial education plays a vital role in navigating the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain. It empowers individuals to make informed decisions, understand the risks involved, and seize the opportunities presented by this emerging field. By educating ourselves about the underlying technology, market dynamics, and security measures, we can protect our investments and contribute to the responsible growth of this exciting industry. Furthermore, it is important to consider the legal and regulatory aspects of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Governments and regulatory bodies around the world are grappling with how to address this innovative technology while ensuring consumer protection and mitigating potential risks such as money laundering and terrorist financing. Staying informed about the evolving regulatory landscape is crucial for individuals and businesses operating in the cryptocurrency space. Education about cryptocurrency extends beyond investors and traders. It is essential for individuals to understand the implications of this technology on their everyday lives. From digital wallets and online transactions to decentralized finance, DeFi, applications and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, cryptocurrency and blockchain are permeating various aspects of our society. A solid foundation of financial education enables individuals to make informed choices, protect their digital assets, and participate responsibly in this rapidly evolving ecosystem. In conclusion, cryptocurrency and blockchain technology have brought about a paradigm shift in the financial landscape. They offer the potential for faster, more secure transactions, increased financial inclusion, and streamlined processes across various sectors. However, this new frontier demands a solid foundation of financial education to navigate the risks and seize the opportunities. By staying informed and exercising caution, we can embrace the future of finance and empower ourselves to make wise financial decisions. As we conclude this in-depth exploration of cryptocurrency and blockchain, it is clear that we are witnessing a transformative era in the realm of finance. The rise of cryptocurrencies and the underlying blockchain technology present both exciting opportunities and significant challenges. In this context, the importance of financial education cannot be overstated. I now urge each and every one of you to take action and prioritize your financial education. Equip yourselves with the knowledge and understanding needed to navigate this dynamic landscape effectively. Whether you are an investor, entrepreneur, or simply a curious individual, there are numerous resources available to expand your understanding of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Engage in research, attend webinars and conferences, read books and articles, and follow reputable financial education channels like Financial Education, where you can access valuable insights and expert guidance. Stay informed about the latest developments, regulatory changes, and security measures in the cryptocurrency space. By actively participating in your financial education, you will be better equipped to make sound decisions and protect your financial well-being. Remember, financial education is not just about understanding cryptocurrency and blockchain. It encompasses a broader understanding of personal finance, budgeting, investing, and building wealth. By investing in your financial education, you are investing in your future. In conclusion, the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain holds tremendous potential. It offers opportunities for financial inclusion, innovation, and economic growth. However, without a solid foundation of financial education, these opportunities can quickly turn into risks and pitfalls. Let us embrace the power of knowledge and education to navigate this new frontier responsibly and unlock the full potential of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey, and let us embark on the path of financial education together. Remember, at Financial Education, we believe that knowledge is power, and through education, we can build a brighter financial future for ourselves and the generations to come.